welcome to our Hatch Embroidery Getting Started series. Today we will learn about the design screen, the menu bar, how to exit the program, and how to remove the license from your computer so that you can use it on a different computer. Let's get started. Let's look at our design window. This is in the center of your screen. This is your workspace or your design space. This is where it all happens. You will create or modify your embroidery design in this window. At the top, we have our menu bars. Your menus are generally docked at the top of the screen. You can move them if you desired, but it's not recommended, especially until you become very familiar with the software. If you forget what an icon looks like, you can simply click on one of the menus and you will see the text for most of the commands in the different menus. You will also find your available shortcuts in the menus. They will be on the right-hand side. At the top, you will have your ribbon bar. This will have the name of their software, how you have logged into it, this is your username, and the design name that you're actually working on. When you click on a menu, it will have a drop-down box, and then it'll have a lot of other commands inside it. One of the most important menus for you to know about is the Help menu. In here you will find the Getting Started, you'll find your release notes, you'll find our user guide, and you'll find the projects that were included in the software installation. You will also go here to check for any updates. Another important thing is to know about this About box. When you need to come to support for help, sometimes we'll ask you what version of software that you're using. You will click on this About box under the Help menu, and this very last line here, this is the most important part. Version 1.0L is what I'm actually running right now. And a lot of times we'll need to know that so that we know what you should have running on your software. Now there's one last thing that I want to cover on the menu bar before we move away from it. You will see that here is a minimize button. Here is a maximize button. That will actually reduce the size of your screen. That will maximize it to the whole size of your screen. And then you have the close button or the exit out button. Speaking of exit out, this is a good way to exit out of your software. But the official way to exit out is to go to File, Exit Program. Now I want to caution you, do not click on Sign Out and Exit Program unless you want to release the license from that particular computer. So the Exit Program is where you will close most of the time. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. Make sure you check out our other videos in the Hatch Getting Started series.